Hello guys, my name is Anastasia Rwando. Welcome to my channel. So if you are serious, like really serious about building wealth and becoming financially free, then this video is for you. Stick around. So today I'm breaking down 5 money mistakes that you could be making today, like right now, that are silently draining your wallet and keeping you from reaching your goals. Let's start. Mistake number 1 is living without a budget. So too many people are just spending money as it comes without really tracking where it goes, and that's where the problem lies, right? If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear without you even realizing. A budget doesn't mean restrictions, all right? A budget means control. Even a simple plan like 50, 30, and 20 rule, where 50% goes to your needs, 30% goes to your wants, and 20% goes to saving or debt, can completely change your finances. Mistake number 2, relying on credit cards for a lifestyle. Don't get me wrong, credit cards can be useful tools, but if you are just swiping to keep up with the lifestyle that you can't afford, then you are falling into a trap. High interest debts eat into your future income. That 2,000 handbag, a 1,000 wig, or a night out could cost you 4 to 5,000, even more, if interest adds up. And if you can't pay it in full each month, then it's not worth it. Mistake number 3 is not having an emergency fund. We all know that life can be unpredictable. One unexpected event, it could be a car repair, medical bills, or even a job loss. These are things that are always happening one way or another. If you are not prepared, they can completely wipe you out. And most experts recommend having 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved. So even if you start small, like saving 10 kwacha or 20 kwacha per week, it adds up, because an emergency fund is not an option at all. It's your safety net. Mistake number 4 is spending too much on subscriptions and impulse buying. Netflix, Spotify, gym memberships, food delivery apps, it all seems small, but those monthly charges sneak up on you. And on top of that, you are also doing impulse buying, especially online shopping can quickly kill your budget. So I would recommend you to start asking yourself these questions before every purchase, right? Do I need this? Or do I just want it right now? Because there's a very big difference between a need and a want, and these small decisions will make a huge difference over time. Mistake number 5 is not investing early. So waiting until the right time to invest is one of the biggest mistakes one can make. The truth is that the earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. So even a 50 or 100 kwacha a month invested consistently can grow into thousands over time. So don't wait for the perfect time to start saving. Start small and start now. So there you have it, 5 money mistakes that you could be making today. And the good news is that once you spot them, you can fix them. So don't start big. Start with one change at a time and watch how your financial life is going to transform. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more money tips, and comment down below which of these mistakes are you guilty of and which one are you going to fix at first. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.